Mommy, have you paid our landlord house rent?
I've not paid.
And you are eating meat?
I will eat meat now. Money that I will use to eat meat, I cannot use it to pay house rent. So money that I will use to pay house rent, I cannot use it to eat meat. This is what we are doing. No one come there. But I'm bigger than you. I'm your mother. So if I'm eating, don't bring down your dirty hand. Go and wash your hand, Daddy. I wash your hand. No, want to put that dirty hand inside the food I'm eating. Want to poison me. Cholera.
Hey, Mommy, I've washed my hand.
You what?
I've washed my hand.
You want to kill me? You cannot kill me. You wash your hand. You use that your hand to clean that your dirty trouser. That your dirty trouser that you have taken to toilet.
Sorry, let me go and wash my hand.
Go wash your hand again. Want to kill me?
Mommy, see. I've washed my hand.
You wash your hand. You put it here again. You know the insect that is here that you cannot use your eye to see.
Let me just use my mouth.
Which about to eat it? Who is there?
It's me, your landlord.
Mommy, drop the meat. Hide. But wait, Mommy, you have already said who is there. He has heard your voice now.
Use my voice. You are my son. You can use my voice. Tell him that it is you. Oh, you go and use my voice. Who is there? I'm coming.
Good morning, sir. Okay, landlord.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where is your mother? Your mother?
Mother.
The person that gave birth to you?
Oh! I'm so sorry, your landlord. I almost forgot the meaning of mother.
Are you
she went out.
Okay.
She went out?
Yes.
Okay, in that case, I have to wait for her to come back.
Oh, okay. Because the thing is that she traveled for like 6 months. So I'm not sure she'll be back anytime soon.
She traveled?
Yes.
In that case, I've already called my boys to bring my things. I have to wait for her till she gets back.
Okay, sir, no problem, sir. The house is your house.
Is that beef?
No, it's mama. There's beef. The beef is inside.
Okay. Since I'm staying with you for the 6 months while waiting for your mother,
yes,
I think I will join you and eat that. Eh?
Oh, no problem, sir. Come and join me now. It's all yours. But sir, you have to wash your hand.
I have to wash my hands?
Yes, in the kitchen.
In the kitchen?
Since you'll be spending time here, so you can just know your way.
All right.
Yes,
I will do just that.
That's fine. Come. Let's go. I'll shout. Okay.
Just reverse the go barracks.
Sir?
Reverse the go barracks.
Sir, I just want to stroll.
Stroll to where?
Sir, I have load in the boots.
Oh, you have something in your boots?
Oh, no, I don't.
Now, reverse to the barracks.
Hey, Jesus!
Let's go.